Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Ansh Singhal welcoming you to my channel. Here I am with a new video in the J.A.R.V.I.S series in which we will make our website functions part 1. We will make some website and some in the other video. So let's start without any time waste. Before that guys, if you haven't accessed our playlist on J.A.R.V.I.S in Python, access it now, save it anywhere. I will provide you the link in the description. Don't forget to save it. So let's start with the code. Here I am in my Visual Studio Code. So what we have to do is start our AI. So firstly import the web browser module here, which we have installed in the video of installing modules. Import web browser. Then come to last in the main function here. Let me make more interactive the J.A.R.V.I.S. So say I am J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. You can insert your name here. I am inserting mine. Ansh Singhal. How may I help you? Now, so this is the say function of our J.A.R.V.I.S. And then come to here. Wait a second. Is there any problem? No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now, so firstly, we have to convert our query in a lowercase. So here query is equals to query dot lower. Yeah. Now, after then we have to do is if the website name and then the code. So I'm first coding the YouTube. So if YouTube in query, then web browser dot open in the double quotes youtube.com or www.youtube.com. So guys, this function will open this website for the user, and here it will search YouTube keyword in the query given by the user. So firstly it will check if there is YouTube in the query given by the user, and if there is, it will open the youtube.com for the user. So this is it. We have to do it for other websites also. So let me copy it. Then here elif. Now the second website is Flipkart. Flipkart in query, then open flipkart.com and then paste. Yeah, here elif, and here YouTube, not here. Let it be instagram.com. So if Instagram in query, then open instagram.com. Instagram.com. And then the last website for today is elif. Here elif, let it be Facebook in query, or FB in query, not FB, actually don't do it. Yeah, only Facebook is correct. If Facebook in query, then open www.facebook.com. It will open Facebook for you. So let's check these functions. I think here is an error. Let me check it by code. Dot. Yeah, here. Yeah. Now check the code.
Good afternoon, user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
query not defined. Here now query is equals to listen and then parenthesis dot lower parenthesis. Now run the code.
Good afternoon, user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S made by Mr. Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Instagram. As you can see, guys, it opened instagram.com for me. So this was the Instagram function. You can do it for all other websites also. So don't forget to check it, and thank you for watching my video. It is enough for today. We'll meet in the next video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment down. Thank you.